Dear students, welcome to our class on pressure bits basics 1. So, here we are going to learn most common bits that would appear in the midterm, theory final, of course, JRF, SRF. Most of the questions in ICR exam will come in the multiple choices. However, you have to modify the important bits that I am going to tell. Now, see, the introduction and definitions, 2-3 bits would come here. The force per unit area is known as pressure. Okay, that is the basic definition of pressure. As far as pressure is concerned, there are two things, pressure and wind. They go simultaneously. Of course, wind is the only weather element that carries temperature and water vapor. However, there is a strong relation between pressure and wind. Okay, now see, basic pressure laws. So what are the basic pressure laws? The first one, the Dalton's law of pressure. So what Dalton's law of pressure states is, if 2 or 3 gases are there, including water vapor, if you see the total pressure exerted by these 2 to 3 gases is equal to individual gas, that would cause how much of pressure? Plus, 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 plus. So what exactly it states in lines is, the law of partial pressures of Dalton states that the total pressure of a mixture of 2 or more gases or water vapor is equal to the sum of the pressures that each component would exert if it were present alone and occupy the same volume as the whole mixture. So this bit is certain to come. Next one, hydrostatic equation. Very, very simple hydrostatic equation I will tell. The rate of decrease of atmospheric pressure with the height is equal to the product of density of air and acceleration due to gravity. This is hydrostatic simple equation. Now, there are here pressure variations or distributions. Now, as far as wind is concerned, pressure systems are there. There we discuss doldrum, harsh latitudes, polar comps, like that. Trade winds and that. They are the pressure systems. Here the pressure variation issue, small pressure systems we have in the pressure. So what are those two systems? Bits will come like this. Pressure systems, first one, cyclones. What is a cyclone? Centrally low pressure. Thumb rule, centrally low pressure cyclone. When cyclone is there, there is a possibility for high winds. There is a possibility for high moisture, thereby winds. Finally, there is a possibility for rain. These are the bits that would appear as far as cyclones are concerned. Cyclones move in anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere. This bit is certain. Anticyclones move in the northern hemisphere in the clockwise direction. So these are the most common bits. What is an anticyclone? Anticyclone is a centrally high pressure, no clouds, no wind speeds, no water vapor, no humidity, little possibility for rain. So these are the bits that would come either in the differences between or bits. Now, so let us see what is the relation between pressure and weather. Please note, very interesting bits would appear in the JRF. Number 1, as the pressure increases, as the atmospheric pressure increases, the clouds dissipate. That means clear weather. Pressure increases, clear weather. As the pressure decreases, clouds would move, so you get the rain. So these are the basic things that would come in the form of bits in the pressure and weather. Last one, pressure terminology. As I said, force per unit area is known as pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? The atmospheric pressure is defined as the pressure exerted by a column of air over a square centimeter or square inch area, which is extended up to outermost boundary layer of the atmosphere, is known as atmospheric pressure. What is the standard atmospheric pressure? Atmospheric pressure at 15 degrees centigrade and 45 degrees latitude on both sides of the equator, is both in the hemisphere, northern and southern hemisphere, is known as the standard atmospheric pressure. What is the value of standard atmospheric pressure? 760 millimeters or 76 centimeters or 10, 20, 10, 13. 1013.25 1013.25 millibar. So this is what I would like to discuss. These are the possible bits.